This is a quick follow-up to a recent video which explained how to get started with Selenium Basic in Excel VBA. You may find that even if you follow all the instructions in that video carefully, the end result is that your code still doesn't work. So if you've followed all the instructions in that video and you've ended up with a basic subroutine like this, when you run it, you end up with a really helpful message that just says automation error. The most likely reason for this error is that the Microsoft .NET Framework version 3.5 isn't enabled on your machine. Quite a common thing in Windows 10 and Windows 11 where it's not a default enabled feature. So let's hit the End button on that message. And then if we want to enable the .NET Framework 3.5, we can just have a quick search for Windows features. We then get the opportunity to switch Windows features on or off. And the .NET Framework 3.5 clearly isn't enabled. If we check the box, or square the box I suppose, and then click OK, we can then choose where we want to get the files from. Let's let Windows Update download the files for us, and then let the installation process get through to the end. Okay, so the installer's done its job. You may be requested to restart your machine, although in this case I haven't been, so I'm going to close down that window. And then just to check that still at the moment our code isn't working, if we run it, yep, we're getting our automation error, so let's end that. I'm just going to close down Excel at this point, and then if we just restart Excel by reopening that same file, head back into the Developer tab and open the Visual Basic Editor, select the subroutine and then choose to run it. And this time, fortunately, we get our version of Chrome popping up. So there's hopefully a quick, easy solution to anyone who's encountered that problem of an automation error. Hope that helps. Thanks very much for watching. See you next time.